Now heads up, Tamara. Beck's going to do a course. Come on, Beck. Wake them up. Get them going. Get them going. More. 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 Open the shoulders. Don't lean down on your corners. Push them up the hill. Good. Ride them out to the rail. Keep them straight. Start looking, but keep them out. Sit up. Left leg. There you go. Look for your last jump of your next line. Look ahead. Dry up. Open the shoulders. There it is. Get him reorganized. Pick him up. Help him get his swap. Ah, you woed too much there.